Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox crashing and freezing on every Android phone. So all what you have to do to fix the problem is very easy and simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and click on the apps manager on your phone, and then go to the apps again right here and search for Roblox between all the apps that you have on your phone, and here is it right here. Click on it and then click on the force stop option. Then go to the permissions and make sure that all those permissions are disabled, and of course enable only the ones that you need, and go back and then go to the data users and make sure to enable all those options, and then go back and go to the storage, and this is the most important step. Click on clear data like this, and then click on clear cache and go back, and now restart your phone and reopen Roblox and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.